Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create your own Gantt chart in Excel. So I'll start from scratch. Here I'll have task name, then I have something like description, starting date, duration, I'll move it here, then end date, so I'll have something like this, I have these rows, and then to the right I'll have the date, so I'll start January 1st, 2026. Then I'll just add 1 day for the ones to the right. So I have this small range. Let me reformat the date. Let me just reformat it as month and year. Then I'll just create a task called task 1 all the way through 10. Then for the description, I'll just leave it empty for now. For the date, I'll just say it just starts right here, first day. Then duration, I'll say this duration is in days. And I'll say this task, it will take 5 days, then 3 days, 2 days, and I'll just make the rest random. So I'll do it between 1 and 10. I'll fill this out and then I'll paste it just as values. Then for these dates, I'll just make this one plus the duration. That'll be the starting date, plus 1. And then the end date will just be this date plus the duration. So now we can start and do our Gantt chart. So before I continue, I'd like to ask you to please leave a like and subscribe to this video. I'd like to make this monetization on YouTube as quickly as possible. Just I'm starting this channel to see how fast I can grow. And so please support me if you're liking this video. You can just wait until the end and see if it's actually helpful. So yeah, let's continue. Let's include actually the day here. We should, instead of the year, I'll just make the day. Just like this. And so let's get started with the Gantt chart itself. So here we'll have a formula. So if and, so we have two logical propositions. We have if this date is greater or equal to this one, and also this date is less or equal to this one, then I want to have, I'll close parentheses, then I want to have an X. If not, just leave it blank. And there we have it. So it's actually the opposite, I think. Let me see what I did wrong. And also I should fix this in the, just so the columns don't change, only the rows. This one I should fix the rows as well. Only columns cannot change, just like this. And then I should make it so that this is actually the other way around, I think. Yeah, just like this. And I'll make this actually shorter in duration, just that we can have everything within this range. So I'll make this 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. We'll still gonna have to make this greater, and this as well. So perfect. There we have it. We're still missing a few. Yeah, let me just quickly add a few more dates in. And let me drag this formulas to the right. Yeah, that's about all of them. And so let me remove the grid lines as well. And now what I'll do is I'll format these cells so that if they have an X, conditional formatting, if they have an X, they will be colored in red or yellow. So if highlight cell rules equals to X, and I'll go to custom format here. So the fill, it will be just this orange if equal to X. And also I'll change the font color just so that the X is not visible. So you see, if I make this orange as well, then we won't be able to see the X. There we go. And now we can just make the borders just like this. Get rid of this one. There we go. We can move this down here. And you can do actually just whatever you want with this. But now you know how you can do this, the basic formula. If you want to have more tasks, you would just have to drag this down, drag these formulas down as well, and you would have it. And of course, for the conditional formatting, you would also need to make the range a bit larger. We went all the way to 34. So I'll just change this right here. And yeah, we should also continue this chart all the way to the right so we keep on seeing. But you can do that just as you need to. You now know how to do the Gantt chart itself. I'll leave this formula in the description. Thank you for watching. Please remember to support the video by liking and subscribing. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next time.